Hello, my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. So, today I'm going to show how to make this on and off button in Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to show how to make this in PowerPoint. So, this is interactive as well. So, if I go to this button and click here, then it will turn off, and if I click it again, then it will turn on. So, now I'm here to show you how to make this step by step. So, without wasting time, let's quickly get into this video and start making this button. So let us open a blank presentation, and first of all let us make a button. So I'll go to insert, shape, and let me choose a circle. So if you want to make an exact circle, then do hold the shift button while you make a circle. So if I make a circle like this, it can be oval shape. So if I press shift button, then it will be an exact circle. So let us take this size, and now let us in the shape outline, let us say no outline, and in the shape fill, let us choose this gray color. We go to shape format, and let us have some shadow of this. So let me take a shadow like this, and let us increase a blur. Now let us duplicate this. So I want to duplicate this object, so I'll press Ctrl D. So this is how I can create exact duplicate shape. Now let us resize this a bit smaller, and now as we have made uh, a button, let us group these two objects. So I'll say select both of this and press Ctrl G to group them together. We'll use this button in a while, so I am just putting it over here. Now let us go to insert, shape, and let us take a rounded rectangle. Uh, okay, my bad. So let us take a rounded rectangle, and it will be like this. If I place it exactly in the center. Now let us match that with our uh, button which we have. Let me bring this to front, and I want to make sure that this shape is somewhat smaller, a bit smaller than the button which we have made, like this. So it can cover the area, the rounded rectangle area like this. Still I wanted to make it a bit small, like this. Even we can choose no outline in this shape as well. Perfect. So this is now covering the button which we have. This is nice. So I'll just put this again in the side, and let me just duplicate this and place it over here just for a backup. Now I'll go to insert, shape, and I'll insert a rectangle which covers the whole slide area like this. Obviously no outline, and let me send it to back. I'll just change color from this to this. Now what I will do is I will subtract this rounded rectangle from the blue rectangle which we have just made. So I'll first select the rectangle, then by holding a shift button I'll again select the rounded rectangle. So in this way I'll select both of these objects. You don't have to select both the objects at the same time like this. You first need to select the rectangle, then by holding shift button you need to select the rounded rectangle, then go to shape format, and in the shape insert shape group you'll find a merge shape option. So we'll go to there and select subtract. So now we have subtracted this rounded rectangle from the rectangle which we had earlier, the bigger rectangle. For the meantime, let us select gray color so you can identify that it is a hollow rectangle. Now I will place this just over here. Now next step is to change the color of this. So I'll go to shape format, and in the shape fill I'll select the red one, but this is more of a darker red, so I'll select a red like this. Now I will duplicate this red red rounded rectangle we have. So I'll press Ctrl D, and the color of this would be green. and I'll place this, I'll make it a circle like this and place this over here. Let me bring this to front and I'll place this over here, but I first need to arrange this in between this yellow rectangle which we have just made and the red rounded rectangle. So I'll go to selection pane, and this the green shape should be there in between this two, like this. So the first is the bigger rectangle, then we have the green rounded rectangle, and then we have the red one, like this. Now I will place this right over here, covering the green part. So this indicates that it is in the off condition. Now let us duplicate this slide. I'll press Ctrl D, and now we want to have this in the on condition. So I'll drag this over here on the right hand side, and also I will expand this shape like this till this part, like this. So now it is in the on condition. So we have total four shapes over here. One is the group of this button which we have made in the first step itself. Then we have this shape like this. Then we have the green part which we will use to turn on the button, and the red part which is there over here. First slide, and this is the second slide. So if I select all both of this slide, go to transition, and let us apply morph transition with 1 second duration, and let us apply to all. So now if I'll go to slideshow, it will be like this. So this is in the off condition, and now it is in the on condition. But if I go to click over here, it will end the slideshow because we haven't linked this button to any of the slides. So now I will go to this button. I'll select the smaller part of this button, go to insert, and here we have an option of linking this button. So we have an action button over here. Let us select this, and let us go to this hyperlink to button, and here we have to select slide, and in slide let us select second slide. So if we click on that button when it is off, it will go to slide 2 which is on button. So let us click OK and OK. And in the second slide, let us select the smaller circle, then go to then go to insert action, and again hyperlink. And while it is on, we want to go to slide number 1 which is in off condition. So I'll select slide 1 and press OK, again OK. So now if I go to slideshow, you can see that it is changing its icon from arrow to a hand, a finger. So if I click on this, it will go to next slide. If I again click on this, it will move to the off condition. So now it is on. If I click on again, it will be off. So this is how it works. After that, you can add text whatever you want. Like for example, I have added on and off text boxes. So I hope you like this video, and making this button was quite interesting for us, right? I hope you enjoyed this. Visit our channel for more such interesting videos and subscribe to our channel. Now my friend, it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.